Fluoride. It's a topic that sparked debate for years. Some call it the hero that saves our teeth from cavities, while others question if it's doing more harm than good. In today's video, we'll explore both sides of the fluoride debate and answer the question, is fluoride good or bad for your teeth? First, let's understand what fluoride is and how it works. Fluoride is a naturally occurring mineral found in water, soil, and many foods. It's known for strengthening tooth enamel, the outer layer of our teeth. When we apply fluoride through toothpaste or drink fluoridated water, it helps to remineralize enamel and make teeth more resistant to acid attacks from bacteria. Here's how it works. When you consume sugar or carbohydrates, bacteria in your mouth produce acid that can weaken your enamel. Over time, this leads to cavities. Fluoride steps in to prevent this process by hardening the enamel and even reversing early signs of tooth decay. Most dental professionals recommend using fluoride toothpaste, as research has shown that it significantly reduces cavities, especially in children. This is why fluoride is also added to many public water supplies. But despite these benefits, some people have raised concerns. Opponents of fluoride claim that too much fluoride can lead to a condition called fluorosis, which causes white spots or streaks on the teeth, especially in children during the tooth-forming years. In severe cases, fluorosis can cause brown stains or pitting in the enamel. It's important to note that fluorosis typically occurs when young children consume excessive fluoride, often by swallowing toothpaste or drinking water with high fluoride levels. That's why dentists advise parents to supervise children during brushing and only use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. Another argument against fluoride involves the difference between systemic fluoride and topical fluoride. Systemic fluoride is ingested through water or supplements, whereas topical fluoride is applied directly to the teeth through toothpaste or treatments at the dentist. While topical fluoride is generally considered safe, some studies suggest that ingesting high levels of fluoride over time could pose risks, including possible effects on bone health or thyroid function. However, many health organizations, including the American Dental Association, ADA, and the World Health Organization, WHO, maintain that fluoridated water at safe levels is not only safe, but one of the most effective ways to prevent tooth decay across populations. So, should you be worried about fluoride? For most people, the benefits of fluoride outweigh the risks, especially when it's used appropriately. The key is moderation. Follow your dentist's advice, use the recommended amount of fluoride toothpaste, and if you're concerned about your water supply, you can always use a filter. In conclusion, fluoride remains one of the most effective tools we have for maintaining healthy teeth and preventing cavities. While it's important to be aware of potential risks, the vast majority of people benefit from fluoride without experiencing any negative effects. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you think fluoride is good or bad for your teeth, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more dental health tips.